Okay, now we're going to do the third hand. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do a dust barrier. I'm going to start from the very beginning, pulling them out of the case so you see the whole process. In this particular application, we're going to put a dust barrier across this wall for this room. We got some drywall repair we want to do here. They're going to do some sanding. We don't want to spread dust all over the house, and this is how they do it. Okay, so here's our case. Our third hand bag holds about 4 or 5 third hands. I've got my dust barrier already set up in here. Even got my magnetic laser mount, which I'll show you in a minute how that works. So I'm going to grab a third hand out of here, and it has the feet already on it. Everything's ready to go. And I'm going to make a dust barrier. Now we have a new system called the magnetic dust barrier foot. And the way that works is your third hand comes with a ball on the top and an articulating foot, which I'll show you what that looks like right here. It comes like this, just like that. And this foot allows you to articulate. It's great for doing crown molding and everything. But when you're doing a dust barrier, you want to use a dust barrier foot. So this is how that works. You pop that one off, and then you take your little C-clip right here, and you push that onto there, just like that. And you put that onto there, and this allows this foot to be stable. So if that C-clip wasn't there, it moves a little bit. Not that that really matters, but it makes it a little nicer, a little more stable. And then on top of that, we have a little washer with a magnetic right there, which is a neodymium, very powerful, and allows you to put the plastic over the top. Then the third hand has ball detents. You just push on those ball detents just like that. And as long as you've got the black line right here lined up in these holes, you're going to hit your spots just like that. See how that works? So we'll take a look at this. A little too tall, so let's go down just one more set right to there. So there we go. There's the first step. Then we'll take our plastic. We'll open that up just like this. And we're going to put the plastic over the top. We're going to drape it over the top just like that and put that on there. And now notice how nice that is and how fast I've got my plastic all suspended. Then I come over here, just like that. I'll put the plastic underneath the foot. See how I did that? And then I'm going to raise this up, just like that. Push this tight against the floor, and that one's done. So now you take another third hand, and I'm going to pump this out like this. And I'm going to put this up to the ceiling, but this time I'm going to extend it a little further. And I'm going to reverse it like this so that I have as little of the galvanized pole showing as possible. And then this is another cool product. I'll just switch gears. This allows you to actually tie the plastic to the pole. This is our door mag. But back to this. Now we take our magnetic laser mount, snap it on there like that. I've actually got my laser with the case on top of this just to protect it in the case. I pull that out, once again, turn this on right like that, hit the on button, and I'll shine it right on the plastic over here and you can see, or actually we'll put it back here on this wall. And so now we've got horizontal and vertical lines just like that. And we simply push this up and down and it's magnetic. It just goes like that. So if we want to go higher, simply snap it on there and we're higher, and then we push it anywhere we want, and of course it's self-leveling. But of course if we want to go to the ceiling, this bracket does almost everything the laser jam bracket does. It allows you to go up to the ceiling just like that. It allows you to go down to the floor just like that. It also allows you to go at any angle you want. So I can put this and flip it around just like that, and now I've got angles on the walls. And of course, I can slide it down anywhere I want. I can take it off, put it right there, and it's done. Extremely versatile product, very inexpensive, has a lot of the same features that the Laser Jam has. It doesn't have the accuracy of the scale and those kinds of precision things, but it's a very functional tool. And when you buy a dust barrier foot, or excuse me, when you buy a third hand to use as a dust barrier, you can also use it as a laser jam system. You can also use it for crown molding, for a load stabilizer in the back of your truck, or you can cut it down and use it as a load jack for jacking up cabinets, your upper cabinets. So that's kind of a quick overview on the third hand, give you some ideas on some of the cool applications you could do with it. Again, thanks for watching.